Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make Instagram account private. If you're using Instagram and you want to make your Instagram account private, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your Instagram app. Now just tap on your profile option in the bottom right, and then tap on three horizontal lines in the top right. Now here you'll get the option of account privacy. Just select account privacy, and here you just have to enable this toggle to make your account private. But here's the restrictions: if you have a professional or a creator account, so your account could not be private. So you just have to tap on the switch to private option. If you have a personal account, so your account will be easily made private by enabling this toggle. Or here you can see there's an error: creator account can't be private. So just tap on this OK option here. Now just go back, and here you can see I have our creator account. Our professional account is a professional dashboard. Now I'm going to switch back to a personal, so just tap on the horizontal lines, then select creator tools and controls, select switch account type, then select switch to a personal account. Select switch to personal account again. Now just go back and here reload or refresh your page, or you can also try to relaunch your Instagram app. So close it, open it again, go to your profile option, and here you can see I haven't any professional dashboard here. Now just tap on three horizontal lines and then select account privacy, enable this toggle, switch to private, and your account will be a private account. So in this way, you can easily make your Instagram account private. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.